So AnkerMake is making a big push on the AnkerMake M5C, I think it's called. They got a big sale. I think it was like $160 off from the 15th through the 18th or some dates. I don't know. Here's a picture of it. This is basically what I got in the email. So I said, what the hell? Let me go ahead and check to see how much this thing actually breaks down to. Just out of curiosity. I mean, I've got enough machines. I figured, why not edit AnkerMake? So I checked it out. I saw the price. I forget what it came out to. I was like, oh, it's reasonably priced. I think it was like $269. And I'm like, not for nothing. For $269, I think I'd rather get an A1 Mini. Anyway, I left it in my cart. I filled it all the way out, put in the coupon code just to see how much. I left it alone. I said, nah, I'm not buying it. And I moved on. All of a sudden, I got a phone call from AnkerMake about my cart being empty. And then I got another 10% code from AnkerMake texted to me to buy it. AnkerMake, holy moly. How badly do you want to sell these machines? Are these machines that good? Because I see people out there with them. I've seen them at Micro Center. I haven't really played with them that much, but woof. Wow. Pushy.